Season 2 starts with exciting contests for all the beautiful ladies only. Stay tuned till end of the episode. Participate in our contest and win super duper prizes.
सो नवरात्रीचे दीस चालू आसा आनी सगळीकडे आवाज येता तो गरबा आनी दांडियाचो. पण हे गरबा आनी दांडिया जे तुमकां खेळटाना दिसता तांकां ट्रेन कोण करता हो एक मोठो प्रश्न. आज आमच्या बरोबर अशीच एक स्वामिनी आसा हू ट्रेन गरबा डान्सर्स, none other than Hetal Gangani. Hi Hetal.
Hi Aparna. Thank you so much.
It's been many years you are hosting this kind of an event.
Yes.
Much before Navratri.
Yes.
So everybody feels the Navratri vibe. Tell me more about the classes you hold.
Right, so this year is very special for me, 2025. This is my 10th year. I started my classes back in 2016. I've been an educator all my life. I'm a teacher. I used to teach in Mushtafan and now I'm at Gera. And I came across a flyer which portrayed Navratri like a trend. And right from the age of 2.5 to 3 years, I have been dancing Garba and I'm very passionate about it. And I have learned about its significance from my grandmother, my mother, and it holds a very special place in my heart. So when I saw that flyer, it bothered me and I thought that the right message should go out. It's not only a trend, it's a religious festival which we should not forget, which holds a lot of culture and tradition. And we should celebrate it in the right way. So that's precisely why I began my classes. I had nothing in mind that who would come or whatever. My only purpose was to put it out there in the right way, and that's how my journey began. And God has just been kind since. What
is the response that you have been getting in Goa, especially from Goans, I would say, because every Guju is a part of a Dandiya,
Absolutely.
right?
I can tell you that 99% of my audience is Goan audience, right? I hardly have any Gujaratis coming in for my classes, and the kind of interest that every person in my class shows is simply phenomenal. It's really lovely to see how they want to learn the authentic Garba, right? So you'll find Zumba Garba, Salsa Garba happening everywhere, and I have nothing against it. It's okay for entertainment, but I feel that the charm lies in the truest form, and I'm very happy to see when everybody is coming to me to learn authentic Garba, and that's my fuel.
Hetal, there are many Garba instructors, I would say, in Goa. Every year there are at least 1 to 2 new Garba instructors
yes.
popping
Every
up.
nook and corner now,
Yes.
actually.
So how you find yourself, different and special from all those people?
I think that because I'm teaching it in the authentic way, that's my plus, and that's why people come into me in large crowds. And you'll be surprised to know that if they have learnt it 1 year from me, they come in the next and the next and the next. So they realize that this is how it's to be done, because ultimately you want to learn it to then join a Navratri function, and that's where all this happens. So there you cannot be doing then Salsa Garba, right? So yeah, so I
So I want to know what message one should take from here.
Right. So I feel that Navratri is no more limited to the Gujarati community. It has become a universal festival, and everybody from all walks of life, from all age groups want to be a part of this festival, which is so lovely to see, especially the youth who are coming in large numbers to be a part of this festival, to learn the authentic form. And I just feel truly blessed to have this kind of love around me who want to learn Garba so much. And after my workshops on the last day, that is one night before the Navratri, I hold a function called the Ratri Before Navratri, where I from my own whatever I can do for all my students. They have their families invited. I have little competition rounds for them, give out prizes, and we have a lot of fun. There's also a Navratri Mela where women entrepreneurs get a chance to display the products at the Navratri Mela, which is also a great platform for them to showcase the kind of work that they have been doing, and the response has been amazing. So this year's Ratri Before Navratri is happening on the 21st of September, and I'm really excited to enjoy it with my Rhythm family.
Hetal, what age group do you get for this?
Okay,
Because,
that is,
what
you
we
will be
just saw
amazed to know that the kids batch this year started from 3.5 years, okay, and my senior most member in the adults batch is 77-year-old lady,
that's
and
great.
trust me, the energy levels are same.
Hetal, there are many Swaminis who are watching you at the moment.
Yes.
Many women, who are waiting to start their career or
Yes.
maybe something like that. So, any message to those Swaminis?
Absolutely. I would say if you have a thought and an idea in your mind, I just don't ask why. I say ask why not, and just go for it. I can do it, you can too.
Hetal, you said by profession you are a teacher.
Yes.
So, how do you manage your house, the teaching life, and plus this?
Okay, so far I've just been juggling. This is a very busy time for me, but I have my family, I have my friends who support me, and we just sail through, take one day at a time.
सो ही आशिल्ली आमची स्वामिनी हेतल गंगानी. गेली 10 वर्सां जाली ती हांगासर वर्कशॉप घेता, गरबा शिकयता, आणि तिणें सांगल्या त्या प्रमाणे तिच्या कडेन 3.5 वर्सां ते 77 वर्सां मेरेनची बायलां येता हांगासर आनी शिकता. सो स्वामिनीक पळयत रावा, प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. थँक्यू.
The question for today's episode is, how many years Hetal has been holding such Garba workshops? WhatsApp your answer on 7709873986 by 5 pm on 25th September 2025. Send in your name and place. And now it's time to declare the winner of the last episode. The question of last episode was, what is the name of group Shweta runs? And the answer is SS Blonde. The winner is Prajoti Kole from Morji Pedne. She has won a discount voucher from Derma 24 Clinic and Saloon. Congratulations, Prajoti.